old po ako. Nakikinig lang po ako ng music, tapos sinasabayan ko po yung kanta, tapos kahit mali-mali po yung lyrics ko. Tama po yung tono, sabi nila.
Yumi, bakulaw ang boses mo.
Alam ko na dating ng araw, makukuha ko yun. Experience din na may mga offer sa akin. Ayun, hanggang doon lang na nag-record ako, tapos after naman wala nang nangyari. Hindi pa rin ako titigil hanggat tumanda ako. Yung family ko sobrang supportive nila sa akin. Kung hindi man ako makapasok dito, silang unang-unang masasaktan. Itong pagsali ko sa PGT, para to sa pangarap ko at para sa pamilya ko.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Better than a fantasy, going like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. You're the catastrophe, but you know she can fly away. Oh, we got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, everybody stares as she goes by, as they can see the flame that's in her eyes. When she's starting up the night, nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gonna let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire, fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. She's just a girl and she's on fire.